2018 GMC Canyon Denali Crew Cab 4x4 Midnight Black Edition. Upgraded headlights, aluminum alloy wheels with a new set of tires, tinted windows, toolbox, tow hitch trailer package with wiring, Rhino bed liner. Nice black leather interior, all weather floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors, automatic headlights, and automatic four-wheel drive. Heated and cooled front row seats, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, premium Bose sound system, heated steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, just over 167,000 miles. Come by and see us at U-Cars.